Hello guys, Brina here. Welcome to a new video. Today I'll be taking you to Balboa Park in San Diego. I hope you like it, and if you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment your favorite part in Balboa Park, and subscribe to see more cool videos like this one. I'm skating to Balboa Park, and here next to me you can see the highway. These are my friends Tanisha and Chelsea. You got it.
Balboa Park is a 1,200-acre cultural oasis, home to 17 museums, gardens, and the world-famous San Diego Zoo. It is located just blocks away from San Diego's downtown. Balboa Park started 150 years ago, and to this day continues to be a mix of what makes San Diego such a unique place to visit. Its richness in culture, nature, and architecture make you fall in love with it at first sight.
Hello! So cute! Hello!
I know, right?
Hello!
Here we have the Old Globe Theater. And this one is the California Tower, home to the Museum of Oz. Its design is a mix of Plateresque, Baroque, Churrigueresque, Rococo, Gothic, and Spanish colonial styles, which make it unique. This is the San Diego Museum of Art. The admission goes from $8 to $15. This one here is a lily pond, where you can find fish and ducks swimming.
This building right behind me is the Botanical Museum, but it's closed right now.
You can visit the Botanical Building for free. There are lots of cool spots where you can have picnics in. The park has a great vibe and safe environment, perfect for anyone. This is the Timken Museum of Art, currently closed until fall 2021. My favorite time to visit the park is in the afternoon, because the golden hour makes it look even prettier. This is the Natural History Museum. The admissions go from $12 to $20. My final stop was at the Sparkles Organ Pavilion, a place that feels like Christmas and where you can attend free concerts. And that's it for my Balboa Park tour. In the description, I'll share with you the links to the park's website and the museums so you can check the availability, schedules, and other details. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so you're tuned for future videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time.